Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine at home. Children, today we will start a new topic, Roman numerals. You have already studied it in the previous class. Children, Roman numerals, this I, IV and X, XI, these are the codes for our Hindu Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Some letters of the English alphabet I, V and X are used to make these numbers. But children, there are 7 letters of the English alphabets which are basic symbols to write the Roman numerals. So today we will learn about it. So children, the symbol I represents Hindu Arabic numeral 1. The symbol V represents 5. The symbol X represents 10. L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500 and M represents 1000. So children, in this chapter, we will learn Roman numerals from 1 to 39. Okay? There are some rules, children, how to write the Roman numerals. So let's look at here. Open your book, page number 30. Rules are given in the book. We will discuss it, children. Rules for writing Roman numerals from 1 to 39. Okay. So rule number 1. If a symbol is repeated, it means repeating its value or addition. Example, children. Suppose I have I means I represents 1. No. Means you will add 1, 1, 1. Means you will add this 1 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Means this symbol represents 3. Okay. Again, suppose we have XX. So X represents your 10. So 2 times X means 10 plus 10. Means you will add and we are getting 20. So XX represents 20. Similarly, triple X represents 30. Now there is a note, children. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times together. And the symbol V is never repeated. You cannot write VV. Okay. Now rule number 2. If a smaller numeral is placed after a larger numeral, it means the value is to be added. Okay. Suppose I have VI. So I is written after V, means you have to add. V means 5, I means 1. So 5 plus 1, that is 6. Let's take XII. X means 10 and I is written after X, no? So 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 13. Now children, if a smaller numeral is placed before a larger numeral, it means its value is to be subtracted from the value of the larger numeral. Okay. Suppose I have IV. Okay. I is written before this V. Isn't it? I is written before this V. Means you have to subtract. So you will subtract 5 and 1. So we will subtract 5 minus 1, that is 4. So your IV represents 4. Now come to this IX. I is written before X. Again you will subtract 1 from this 10. So 10 minus 1, that is 9. So IX represents 9. Okay. Again there is a note, children. Look at here in the box. I is subtracted only once from V and X only. Means you can write I before V and X only one time. And the symbol V is never subtracted. Means you cannot write V before any other Roman numeral. You cannot subtract V. Roman numerals do not have 0. Okay. There is no Roman numeral for 0. Now children, I hope you have got all the rules. So these rules also, children, you will write in your copy. I will send it in the image form. Now let's do, children. Let's start the exercise number 1H. Exercise 1H. First question is write the Roman numeral for all these Hindu Arabic numerals. So children, let's discuss how to write the Hindu Arabic numerals and Roman numerals. Look at here, children. We will start writing Roman numerals from 1 to 40. Okay, so let's look at here. 1, you will write I. 2, you will write 2 times I. 3, you will write I. Now 4, you will write IV. Okay, I will explain you why we are writing this IV. Let's look at here, children. 1 you are writing for I, isn't it? 2 we are writing 1 plus 1, that is I. 3 we are writing 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is I. But what about 4? Suppose if you want to write in this way, suppose if you want to write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is I. But this symbol is wrong. Why? There is a rule that you cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. So you cannot write 4 in this way. It's wrong, beta. So what will we do? You have to write this 4 in 5 minus 1 term. Now 5 symbol is your V. As you are subtracting this one, so you will write this 1 before this 5. Okay? Because when we write it before means you are subtracting. So this 1 you will write before 5 means you will write IV. So 4 we will write in this way IV. Clear? So you will write here 4 is IV. I hope it is clear. Now 5 symbol is already given, that is V. Now when you write to 6 children, you can write 6 as 5 plus 1, that is VI. Now what about 7? 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is VII. What about 8? Again 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is VIII. 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 8. Now what about 9? Okay, suppose again if you want to write in this way, suppose let's take it, and if you write V and 4 times I, again it will be wrong because you are repeating here I 4 times. Okay, so you cannot write 9 in this way. So you will write 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 10 symbol is your X. And you are subtracting here 1, no? So you will write this 1 before this X. As we are subtracting, so you will write this 1 before X. So you will write I before X. So our 9 will be IX. I hope all of you are getting. 9 will be IX. So children, we write in our copy 9 is IX. And what about 10? It's only X. I hope it is clear, children. Similarly, we will write other Roman numerals. I have written here 11 is your 10 plus 1 XI. 12 is your XII. 13 is your XII. Now 14, that is 10 and 4. 10 plus 4, no? So 10 is your X and 4 is your IV. So you will write XIV. What about 15? 10 plus 5. So 10 is your X, 5 is your V, XV. What about 16? 10 plus 6. 10 is your X, 6 is your VI. So 10 plus 6, 16. Similarly, children, 17, 10 plus 7. So we have 10X and 7 VII. Okay. Similarly, children, 18 here. 19, 10 plus 9, 20, 10 plus 10, that is XX. Okay. In the same way, children, you will write 21 to 30. Again, in the same way, you will write 31 to 39. Okay. 30 plus 9, that is 39. I will explain this 40 for you because 40 you cannot do by your own. So, children, 40. Suppose if you want to write 40, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So, what will you write? If you write 10, 10, 10, 10. Again, children, you will write X 4 times. Again, it will be wrong because you cannot write more than 3 times. So, here you will write 50 minus 10. Okay, 50 is your L. You are subtracting here 10, no? So, you write the 10 before L. So, you write X before L, XL. This you will read in your next class. But here, to complete this counting number, I am telling you here. So, 40 is your Excel. Okay, after 40, you will read in your next class. Now, children, let's do question number 1. I will be 1. Now, here 11, you will write 10 plus 1 xi. Again 21 xxi, 31 xxxi, 9, 10 minus 1, that is ix. 19, here 10 plus 9 xix. 29, here 20 plus 9, that is xxix. 39, that is 30 plus 9 xxxix. Okay children, so today till here only. You will complete your copywork properly. Thank you children. Have a nice day.